Good morning and welcome to another caravan video, and in this video I'm going to show you how I get everything set up for towing. Previous videos I've shown you how I set up the caravan when I get to the site, so this is basically the opposite. So I'm doing the opposite of what I do when I get the caravan ready. So one thing I need to do is drain the toilet down. So what I need to do is take the cassette out. It's a bit hard to do this one-handed. Right, I think I've left it open, so I'll show it in the toilet and I can get the cassette out. So to drain this down, get this right, just open the cassette again manually. Take this tube in. This allows the cassette to the flushing mechanism to drain. So drain that down into here, because you can't put this into it. Can't pour this down the drain, you've got to take it to a proper chemical toilet point. So let that drain, I can drain the toilet cassette, and that's the toilet all done, and I think it's already done. And just check the flushing mechanism, just take the lid off. And drain that into there as well, a bit at the top. So that's the toilet drained down. I'm going to do the water. I'll just open the taps and drain it off, and I'll also drain off if there's any residual water in the boiler. So I'll drain that as well. And I think you've seen how it's done in previous videos when I've tried to repair the water heater. Next, I'm going to drain the water down. I should be able to get most of it out. Just turn the taps on. I've already disconnected the hose. If you can see a hose that goes into the tap, I've disconnected that, so that's already taken care of. And I've remembered this because a few times I've left the tap adapter behind, so I've not forgotten it this time. So just empty the taps, and in the kitchen and the bathroom, just open the taps up, let them drain, then I can disconnect all the water stuff and that can all go away. So with just about everything else done, I need to empty the awning before I can take it down. So I'll put you guys on a time lapse. much emptied out, I can now start taking all the pegs out. So again, I'll put you on time lapse. I'll show you taking all the pegs out from inside. I don't know if I'll continue the time lapse when I'm outside. Just see how it goes. So that's all the pegs pulled up, I hope. I'll soon find out when I start taking this awning down. So it's now time to start taking the awning down. And one tip I picked up was to leave the curtains in situ. You can fold up the panels with the curtains on, it just saves time. So you can take them down if you want on your own caravan, but I just leave the curtains in place and it makes things a lot easier and quicker. So I'll put you guys back on time lapse. So I'm pretty much done. Last thing I need to do is disconnect the electric, then I can hitch up, and let's have a look. Everything should be stowed away. Yeah, everything's stowed away safely. Try to get as much weight over the axle as possible, so everything's securely stowed. I better shut that one. I need to just put the towing mirrors on the car, but I'm not going into hitching up because that's a totally different video, and I've probably covered that elsewhere, but that's not the subject of this video. So time to hitch up. Hope you like this video. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, click that notification bell and you get notified when one of the videos comes out. Questions and comments, you might put them. As ever, thanks for watching, and I'll see you there.